Hey everyone, so you all know that I love a blusher. So I've just got this one here by Patrick Ta in the universal shade. She's left me on red. Look at that, that is the brightest red. So let's give it a go. So I'm going to take my brush into the blusher, into the red first. Then I'm going to knock it off on the back of my hand because this looks pigmented. Right. Let's see. Patting it onto the cheek. Yes, it is ultra pigmented. So I'm going to need to do a bit of correcting first. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just start to stipple over this because it's just so pigmented. Okay, so I've done a bit of correcting. This is super pigmented. So this is just the powder. Next, we're gonna layer a little bit of that cream blusher over it. And I'm gonna be pretty careful here because it's so pigmented. I mean, look, it is insane. I'm now dabbing it, oh, so gently, just over the powder. And then I'm just going to use my fingers to try and blend this in. I'm going to take a touch just here on the temple and then blend that in. So this is one of the prettiest colors, but it is insanely pigmented. As in, I love it, but difficult to work with because you just get so much product. I'm going to try it with a really light brush instead and see what happens. I'm just going to start here on the cheekbone. It's really pigmented. The lightest touch with this because it just is such a strong color. Now don't get me wrong, I love it. I love the color. The color's universal, it's perfect. It's just so pigmented that you need to be aware. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. It's going to last you about 80 years. See you next time. Bye-bye.